Hi, it's Colin McIntyre here. Today I'm shooting a really short video where I'm going to answer the question, what is a lead page? And to do that, I'm going to go onto the laptop and I'm going to show you examples in a platform known as Leadpages, specifically designed for capturing leads. Now, all businesses will collect leads in some way or another. All businesses want people that are potential customers for their products or their services. Now, the way you get leads in the past were sending out flyers or word of mouth. But in the digital age, the internet age, much of this attraction of leads is done through the internet on web pages. And those pages are sometimes known as lead pages, sometimes known as lead capture pages, opt-in pages, or even squeeze pages. But they all have the same purpose, and that is to advertise your business, your products or your services to people that might be interested in them. And if they are, to get hold of some of their information so that you can follow up with them. So more often than not nowadays, you will always ask for an email. You may ask for phone numbers as well. So in lead pages, there are scores of different types of opt-in page, squeeze page, lead page, whatever you want to call it. And if you have a look at one like this one, this is the most traditional type of lead page you will see. It's a single page document. In this case, the template is aimed at someone who may be running a shop and may be able to offer coupons, money off for the first purchase. And that website says, enter your email and get the coupon. So you see it's an email submission form right from the start. More often than not nowadays, though, you will see ones which are more like this, where something is offered to encourage people to give their email. So this one saying, if you want to know something about cocktail recipes that will impress your guests, download. When you press the download button, it asks for your name and your email. So again, lots and lots of different types of page, but they're all there to get some information which will allow you to contact people to see whether they've got something, whether you've got something that they might be interested in, your products or your services. So it's a way of making that first contact and allowing you to follow up and turn people that may be interested into paying customers. Now, the lead page templates I showed you are typically what people know as landing pages. In other words, they are single page websites, or not many page websites, and used purely and simply to carry out a marketing task. And we were talking about the lead pages one, so collecting leads. But actually you can also collect leads on a website, and lead pages allows you to do that. So it is possible to have a lead capture page on a website rather than just a single page website. So if you've got a company and you with a decent sized website advertising all of your business, it is possible to put in an opt-in form that will also collect leads for you. So when people land on your website to learn about your company, you will also have the opportunity to capture those emails and start emailing those leads and seeing whether you can do some business together. So as promised, that was a really quick introduction to a lead page or lead pages. Now, over the next few days, I'm going to shoot a few videos talking about lead pages, the platform, and its capabilities, what you can do with it, and how you can use all of those scores of templates to fit your business. So the most important thing I think most people would be interested in, well, how much does it cost? You know, what's the pricing to start creating my own lead pages? So tomorrow I will be launching a video where I talk about, well, what does it cost to get started? So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see the video tomorrow about Leadpages and its pricing, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow.